Hey friends, I'm so happy today. I'm so delighted today, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy. I've just made this video today for thanking everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. That so far we have made 1,000 subscribers. I'm really so happy, and I feel it in the format of making for you guys video and just appreciating everyone who has been watching my videos, and those of you guys who thought of and said let me subscribe to this young programmer, from Uganda, from, as you know. So I'm really so happy for you guys who happen to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm just really on my knees saying thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me support. Thank you very much for making me reach to this point, because it is you guys who has enabled me reach this far. So thank you guys for watching this video. And also, if this is your first video to watch and giving me as a chance to hear what I'm saying, I really say thank you. And on the other way around, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that each time I make videos on programming, on machine learning with the Python videos, like I have very many videos on my Python. And if you guys go on with, I have so many videos there. If you guys go on with, I have very many videos, like machine learning, embedded systems, text editor, how to create up your own hotel management, MySQL, Convid kind of virus application, mobile app application, many videos, R, Python, Ruby, Johnson, Python GUI. I have very many JavaScript, CSS3, CMD. Which one should I mention? I have any graphics videos, VB, and whatever. So really, I have to appreciate all of you guys who have happened to subscribe my channel today. And really thank you guys for giving me a chance, so that now I've hit 1,000 subscribers. I hope you guys are going to give me a chance to hit more. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will really like to see you next time. So to do that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that each time I do the video, you'll always be notified. So thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all, and I appreciate all of you guys for giving me a chance. Share my video to your friends, like my videos. You are free to embed my video anywhere you want to use. You can get a complete playlist and you put it onto your website. I have no problem with it. David, I have I'm OSP. I have no problem with that. So as long as you do that, just do it in the right way. Please, my videos, I'm so far giving it for free. It's for free. I'm not selling it at the moment. Where I'm selling the videos is at OSP IT Digital Solution, at my training center. That's where I train you practically for learning things practically with me. But so far YouTube, I'm giving my videos for free. So you guys, you can also decide. You can also share my videos for free. You can embed my videos onto your friend's YouTube channel. So thank you guys for making it with me, and may God bless you. Thank you.